again.
Hey guys, welcome back. So in the next few days, we are taking 4 of the 6 cars in this garage to the track, which means we have a lot of last minute track prep. So we are gonna do a nut and bolt on the red NA. This thing needs an oil change. The yellow car needs an oil change, maybe brakes. This car needs a few things wrapped up. And then we should, in theory, be good to go to the track. So let's get to it. First victim, getting an oil change. New crush washer, I have my tools, I have my drain pan. We're not gonna change the oil filter this time because it has only a few hundred miles on it. So we'll change it on the next one. Okay, that really should be it for this car now that the oil change is done, because it's been prepped and it's already been going to other events. So that should be it for this one. So we're gonna put it down and start working on the yellow car. So I'm working on John's car and John's working on my car. He's doing a nut and bolt.
Everything's loose.
Oh, try again.
Everything's loose. Everything. You name it, it's not tight.
Well, it was just rebuilt, so.
Put the whole drivetrain in and say, I'm going to go on the racetrack.
No.
But your whole drivetrain almost stayed at home.
Okay, here's the next victim. This thing is getting an oil change. We're putting a different set of wheels on it, and we are doing a brake flush. So let's start with the oil change. Okay, I have drained the oil, and now we're just gonna put the drain plug back in and refill it. Okay, now we are gonna fill it with oil. Okay, so far there's been no leaks. I've driven the car, it's been great. I did have an oil issue somewhere else, but it wasn't related to the oil cooler. So I'm really stoked on that. But now I gotta clean up the engine bay, so let's go in with some degreaser and clean it up. So it got real late, we loaded up the car, and the last step is getting this car aligned. Once the alignment is done, we are good to head to the track. Okay, so that is a wrap for this video. The cars are all prepped and we are good to head to the track. I am going to put a little disclaimer now. Videos are not coming out in order right now. Reason being is I'm just doing such similar things on both NCs. Obviously they're really similar builds, and rather than boring you with essentially seeing a very similar video back to back, I thought I'd throw some of the fun videos in there or some different stuff going on just so you don't have to watch a very similar video back to back. But that is a wrap on this one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, and I'll catch you in the next one.